Hi, Emma and everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I'd like to take you all for a walk with me today. What you've seen in front of you is my apartment building. The name is the Prudential Assurance. It's located on Lambton Quay. If you have walked past this area, you'll see Gongcha milk tea shop on the left-hand side, and there's some other clothing shops like sports gears, Adidas, and Forever New, and so on. So this is what it's like to face my building. Opposite side is the world famous coffee shop Starbucks. Here, hope you can see the logo, which is located at the ground floor of Old Bank Arcade building. I'll zoom out. Oops. I might have zoomed out a bit too far. Right, there you go. Yep, this is Old Bank Arcade. So where I would like to take you for a walk is the waterfront. So from Lambton Quay, from where I live, I just keep walking towards Worley Street. We're still on Lambton Quay. This street right cross Lambton Quay is Worley Street. And if you keep walking towards the waterfront, over here, this is what Williston Street. We're gonna keep walking, maybe not on the road, but on the footpath for your safety. It will take us to this park. And if we cross the road when it's safe, check for the pedestrian light to turn green. Not now, actually. You'll see Frank Kids Park. And if we keep walking towards this way, that will be waterfront. But for some reason, Google Map didn't allow me when I test earlier. So I'm gonna do some dangerous thing, which is walking on the road. Show you the other route. If we keep walking via Jover's Quay, we can also go to waterfront from this side. Oops. Let me try. Does it allow? No, it doesn't allow me. It's right. They should allow me to walk. Let's find alternative way. How about walk up to the... No. Okay. How about... Alright, okay. We can get going. I just saw the light turn green. Maybe that's the reason. Who knows? So if you keep walking via Jover's Quay, and by that I mean on the footpath, you see this area, the Cable Street. In front of you is like the St. John Bar. I come with my friend sometimes for drinks and food. They're doing really good hospitality. And once we turn left, you see that we're getting closer to the waterfront. Yay, finally we arrived. The reason I like to take you here is because it's primarily the spot that I like to come to get fresh air if the weather is fine, like you see right now. And on every Sunday, if you walk towards Te Papa, which is here on your left-hand side, just by the end of Te Papa building, if you keep walking towards Cable Street, at the end of the car park of Te Papa, which is right in front of you here, it will look quite different on Sunday around 7 a.m. until 2 p.m. because there will be lots of people coming out to get their grocery sorted, like fresh vegetables, and there will be also some food truck as well, food caravan. Some people also walk their dog or other type of their pets, caught up with their friends, family, or some people from out of town. So this is where I always spend my Sunday, if I do have chance and the weather is nice. So hopefully you enjoy a walk with me today, and we can catch up at the waterfront or around farmers market if we have chance. Thank you. Bye bye.